finish this, so you're gonna take this 8, substitute it into the x. I'll put it in black so you can see better. Put it into the x right there. So you have y equals to -7 times that 8. And the answer is, oops, sorry, -56. Okay, so y equals to -56. So it's one solution at 8 and -56. The two answer at the bottom. So the next screen, how do you do that? On slide 8, if we should get to this far in your classes, okay, is you save the y equals to -6x minus 50. That's the easier of the two, okay, and then you take that and you take the Hardy equation, you type it out, equals to 150. Now in place of y, because this is y equal, in place of y we get rid of the y, alright, we get rid of that y, and because this is 3 times, we put in the time symbol and replace it with that -6x minus 50, okay, and then after you do that, you distribute, okay, you do distribute first, you get, that's a -3, that's a -50. You bring down that -25x, you get a positive 18 there, 3 times 6 is 18, bring down the x, plus the 3 times 50 is 150, equals to that 150, okay? 150, not -50. Okay, you combine these two together because they're alike, they both have x, you get a -7x plus 150 equals to 150. Now there's still a plus sign, so we make 0. We minus 150 to both sides. Okay, minus 150. Okay, we get 7x, -7x, equal to that 0 on the other side. Divide by -7, divide by -7, divide by -7. You get the answer of 0 to both. Okay. Bryce, make sure you go to the bathroom, son. Hey, go to the bathroom. Awesome. Awesome. You take that 0, so this is going to be one solution. Okay, at 0. And the other ordered pair, you take it up and put the 0 under the x right there. So you got y equals to -6 times that 0. We call this substitution minus 50. Okay, you get that problem there. I'm going to turn that to purple. So that's 0. You get, your answer is -50. Okay, so one solution at 0 and -50 is where the two lines meet at. Okay, and the same thing here. You would save the y equals to 5x plus 12. Okay, and you take the other equation, -7x plus 4y equals to 9. Take that, and instead of the y, you're going to replace that with a multiplication. In it, you substitute it with 5x plus 12, and then you solve it. you would use distributive property here. This times that, you get negative 7x plus 20x plus 48 equals to 9. Okay, and then you would combine these two because they're alike to get 13x plus 48 equals to the 9 that's left. Minus 48 to both sides. Okay, minus 48 to both sides. You get a 13x equals to 39. And you divide by 13 to both sides. Divide 13 and you get 3 as an answer. Okay, you get x equals to 3. You take that 3, put it what you save there, so that's 5 times 3. Y is equal to 5 times 3 plus that 12. Okay. And that's 15 plus 12 is 27. So y equals to 27. When you, so you have one solution. So without graphing, you can find where they meet at 3 and 27. Exactly, by using substitution. Now the last slide is a review going back to graphing. You should know how to do this. The first one, you start out at 1. You go down 1, right 2. Okay, and go the other way. And you draw your lines. Right there. And the other one, you start out at 4. You go down, up 1, right 4. Go the other way. Oh, there's our solution there. Okay, the solution, this is one solution at negative 4, 4. Okay, and this one here, let's graph this one first right there. You start out at 1, go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and go the other way. Okay, take your line, draw it. Now for this one here, you need to add 4x. You can't graph it because it's not in slope-intercept form. You add 4x to both sides. Okay, that's not alike. The 2 and the 4x cannot be added. So you have 2y equals to 2 plus 4x. And then divide both sides by that 2, all of them by the 2. You get y equals 1 plus 2x. Okay, you start out at graphing this, you start out at 1, and it's 2 over 1. Same line, so we call this infinite solution, right? Same line as you can see. This is called infinite solution. That is your homework. Now, in case you need the other slide, here's slide 7, slide 6, I didn't do that one, slide 5, slide 4, oops, this looks awful, this does too, this also, slide 3, slide 2, and back to the title. Have a great day.